Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be telling you about the unboxing and review of DJI Mini 2 drone. As you know, DJI is the world's best drone maker in the world. So we'll show you an unboxing of it, and we'll also show you the flying, like how it flies, how to connect it with your mobile, and all the. As you know, it also supports 4K. So let us start with unboxing and review of DJI. And one more thing is, if you want to learn about flying and about RC models, how to fly RC models, and many other aircrafts or drone making, and you can please make sure that you follow Editors Group. Please make sure that you follow this page, which is Senior Institute of Technology's startup company. Please make sure that you follow this page, and please message so that if you want to learn any RC models of flying, like any other related to drones or anything, you can follow and message, and you'll have a lesson about how to fly. So let's get started with the unboxing and review. So as you can see, here is the RC plane, and here is the remote for flying this RC plane. As you can see, here is the drone. So if you want to learn any, like how to fly this, like all the, as you can see here, 6-channel radio transmitter. So if you want to learn more about RC and about all the RC planes and drones, you can contact Editors. I'll be giving a link in the description about Editors Instagram page. So make sure you follow the page about learning all the flying lessons and all. So let's get started, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is a small bag-like structure in which a drone is placed. When you are, like, first when you buy the drone, you will get a box, like a box, and when you remove that box, you will get a bag like this in which the drone is placed. So let's unbox it. So when you first unbox it, we will get many things. This is a fly more combo in which you will get 3 batteries. Firstly, we will remove. First you will get a box like this. You will see the box contents first. So when you first, this is accessories box, like you will get a remote in this. So guys, this is the Fly More combo battery. You will get 3 batteries right here. So this is a power button, and this is for charging and discharging. If you want to charge your mobile phone, even then you can charge it through this outlet port. So for checking your battery, this is a Fly More combo pack, guys. If you don't buy a Fly More combo pack, then you don't get 3 additional batteries. You will get only 1 battery, that is with the drone. So if you want to check the battery, you just have to power it on. So you can see that all the batteries are equally charged. Since each battery provides 30 minutes of flyback time, that means whenever you put on a single battery, your drone can run up to 30 minutes or 31 minutes at a maximum range. So this is a Fly More combo pack. We'll keep it aside. And additional to this, in this box you will get like all the cables. See, this is Type C, like Type C to Type C for if holding your mobile. I'll show how to connect with the remote. I'll show it. And if you have an iPhone, then this lightning port comes. You can connect your mobile through a remote through this port. And there are many other cables like USB to Type C for charging your remote and all. For charging this, you can use as I said, for charging this also this remote, you get USB to Type C cable. You can charge it through this port. These are all the cables first, guys. So the accessory comes with only this. Now comes the remote, guys. So this is how the DJI remote actually looks like. As you can see, the logo DJI Mini 2. So when you first look at the remote, the finish is very good, guys. The smooth texture of, like, it feels so premium to hold it, and you can see it is not so it's so lightweight that you can carry it even with one hand. It won't feel any pain. This is so good, guys. And when we see it, there are 2 like dot-like structures. Through it you will get to control panels. You will get control panels right here. So these are the control panels which you will fix. You will have to fix it here, guys, like this. Like if you want to fly up, down, right, like all the motions you will have to control through this. These are called control panels. We'll fix it like this. This comes with the ring-like structures like this. You can fix it. And this is for like height and movement of drones. We can do this with this. And additional to this, here comes the transmitter. Like to the drone, we can transmit it through. First you remove. This is for mobile holder, guys. So you can keep your mobile in it, and you can fly it like this. So this is a very handy feature. So you can place and it can support any type of models. And then it comes when you want to connect your mobile, in through the port, as you can see right here, there is small port. From that you can connect, if your mobile is type C, then you can connect it through mobile through these cables, and remove it back. And then comes here is the small roll like structure. In this roll we can tilt the gimbal movement of the camera. I will show it when I open the drawers. And this is all about the remote, guys. And if you want to power it on, you simply have to hold it once. It will show the battery percentage, and then when you hold it one more time, the battery actually starts. That means it will become on. So even if you want to off it, just one and off long press, it gets off. This is how the battery of DJI Mavic Mini 2 is. Remote, sorry. And then comes the main part, the drone. This is a drone, guys. You can see this is so small. Like if I hold it in my palm, it's like equal to my palm length. And this is so lightweight, 249 grams for a Mini 2. That is so light, guys. And you can see the build finish is so good. DJI symbol right here, the propellers DJI, and the finish like it has a ceramic like structure, not so cheap plastic. It looks so good, ceramic building, and surface finish is so good. The DJI logo and the propellers are also good. And here is the camera, which with this camera, like it is a gimbal, you can remove it. So here is the gimbal camera, guys. This camera supports 4K. Let's first unbox it. So the DJI Mini 2 comes with additional, like when you want to carry it in your bag, then propellers might get like this. So to prevent those propellers from being, they have given separate strap in which they can like it helps to protect these propellers, because when you are carrying it in your bag, the propellers should not move like this and to and fro, so that it might break down. So this strip that you can see, it helps to protect the propellers and keeps it intact. So let's remove this. So this is the guard, guys. We keep it aside. And here comes the drone. These are all the propellers. To remove it, first we'll remove from the top. Like this, we have to remove it. And to remove it, you have to move it up. So this is how the DJI Mini 2 drone looks like, and you can see as it is, it has 249 grams only. And then the propellers comes with a unique like orange color design finish at the propeller belts. You don't get this type of designs in any Mavic series or Mini series. This is specially made for DJI Mini 2. This propeller designs and the like. And you can see the motor right here is a brushless motor, and these brushless motors are actually so costly. Like it's not like a normal motor. So it comes with great motors, great propellers. The ceramic propeller. This is not a plastic propellers, guys. This is a ceramic propellers, and like carbon fiber body. It is so lightweight, guys. I can't believe that this type of drone is actually 249 grams. It is so lightweight. I don't feel the weight in my hand, guys. That much light it is. And I mean, this is a camera, as I already said. It supports 4K recording and all. And here there is a slot. If you are like for video recording, you can put a SD card in it, or you can directly record through the smartphone, or else you can put a SD card right here, and you can charge the drone through this port. And there is separate if you want to insert a battery. When we look at the bottom side of the drone, this is the button for powering it on and off. When you first press it, it shows like there is no battery right now in it, so it doesn't show any lights. When we insert any one of these batteries inside it, then it actually powers it on. And then here comes the sensor, guys. These all three are sensors for automatic landing and automatic takeoff. So this DJI Mini 2 comes with a special feature for automatic takeoff and automatic landing. Whenever it automatically lands, then the sensors, the bottom of the sensors checks that the surface is actually clean and horizontal. Because if there is any assume that I have kept my remote like this, and if I do automatically land it, then it doesn't land, because the sensors which are down of it actually senses that the plane is not horizontal, so that it can land safely if it doesn't land. So this is how the sensors of bottom sensors work. And you can see there is a small light in front of it. So this is all about the DJI Mini 2 drone, guys. So, like you can, as I already said about the size, this is more small, and the lightweight is the best feature for 249 grams. These great features, I don't believe it, guys. And here you can insert the battery. Here you can insert the battery. I don't know how to remove this. Okay, here is a place where you can insert your battery. So as you can see, here is a battery. If I show you how to insert it, I'll keep it down. Here is the battery combo. So here, this is the battery of DJI Mini 2S. See, this much big it is, the battery. Like if I show in size comparison, this is equal to my finger. So we'll have to, if we insert it, and then it gets starts. And let's see how it actually flies. We'll show you a flying model, how to connect it with your mobile, and how to pair it with your smartphone actually from the remote. So we'll all show it right now. To connect your drone with your like remote, you need to download an app called DJI app. So here is a DJI.
So this is an DJI app for Mini 2. Now we have to already installed. So we have to open DJI app. Then we have to connect C-type to this transmitter like this. So this is an antenna where it receives and sends signal from this app. So like in drone we have two sensors. While landing and takeoff, they extract a GPS coordinate to one level. So that GPS coordinate is stored in this. So while if you have not control in drone, if you press home button, it will come to the place it's takeoff. So we have like connecting like this. So this is now connected. In here back side we have an pin.
First open the DJI app, then you'll get something like this interface. Then you have to connect the cable.
So in this screen we have altitude zone, fly spots, an academy, an album, and a profile and connect aircraft. In profile we have to register our registration of our drone or our profile in this. So this is just a forum. In academy it will help give tips about a tutorial, like function tutorials. We have different like DJI first flight, DJI editor, firmware update, attachment of propeller guard, how to fly, and basic function, and also advanced function. Then we can here search whether what we have to learn and all. So next it's in flight safety. So like flight safety is in some of the areas we can't fly the drones because of the rules and regulation of under government. And also user manual, we will get in a hard copy, but in there is a software copy of all the DJI models like a Mavic 2, Mini Air and all.
Okay.
So then in altitude zones, here we will get map and all. Sometimes we will get where to fly.
Okay, as you know that drones are not permitted to fly anywhere you wish. You have to see it actually check for GPS signal, and where there are airports and all, you cannot fly the drone, and there is a regulation limits. So this is the app which shows you the exact location where you are, and also permits whether you need to fly the drone or not.
Then flight spots also, it's also same. Like it will give line up the where we can fly the drones, because where are the permission are allowed. So the green parts indicate where we have the permission to fly. So in our drone we have permission. Like in album, what are the photos, videos we have taken, that will get stored in here. Then sky pixels. So these are the forum. If you want any part, extra part and call, we can buy in from here direct only.
So this forum means if you lost your propellers or if you lost a battery, then if you want to buy it, then instead of buying any third party battery or third party propellers, you can directly buy it through the Sky Pixel right here, as you can see it. So from this website you can buy the company's main product or main original battery original propellers. So
Genuine product view.
Okay, more specifically genuine product.
So in connected aircraft we have different models like a Mavic Air 2, DJ Mini 2, DJ Mini. So my product is DJ Mini.
So here is this is the DJI Mini 2 guys.
So they will tell it's like basic for for the starters. They will tell take out the install and control sticks, how to connect. These are all explained in this.
Okay, as you can see the demo.
So like in camera view. So in here it will indicate ours is not connected to mobile device because we have not powered it on. So let's power it on. Like we have removed one battery, and while touring we have to get a one watch click.
Okay,
It's sign indicates we have
it is
properly
fixed.
done.
Okay, it should give a small sound so that it is properly
So,
fixed.
like on one small door.
One press you'll get the amount of battery, and the other press it actually ons. So when it ons, you can see the gimbal is actually moving and the light indicates right here.
It's now calibrated.
So okay, this is calibrated now. You can see the light is blinking, and here are some of controls.
So before a flying, we have to pre-flight check. There are certain things like return to home altitude.
You can see it is connected. The camera view, as you can see it in the mobile.
So like we can rotate the camera.
So this is the camera, drone camera. When you move it, you can see that it is actually moving.
We can change color. You see, like
This color, this right here, as you can see.
select yellow.
If you select the yellow right here, and you can see that the color right here is yellow color.
If we select pink, then its color will be pink.
Okay.
So color will be green, then the color will be green.
Okay, we can control the setting right here, and there are many more settings right here, like gimbal orientation and all.
So this is for capturing photo. Then this is for video, and here we have auto, and we can change ISO speed, shutter speed to.
There are many camera features.
So these are the GPS location. It's a map.
Here H means it shows how much altitude your phone, like your drone is. As you can see, it is actually at the sea level.
Height from our controller, distance. This is the distance from our controller.
Okay, it is right now it is placed on the table. Its height is 0 meters. Tutorial. You can see the drone is flying. Camera. So as you can see the camera which is coming out here. So you can rotate the camera through the rotator right here.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because